Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Aritrika Vision. So today we have brought for you a new video tells about storytelling. Storytelling builds our imagination skill and also improves our vocabulary skill. So today we are discussing Aritrika's favorite story book, The Koala Who Could. In this story we will see Kevin, a koala who likes to keep things the same, exactly the same. But when change comes along, uninvited one day, Kevin discovers life can be new and wonderful. So let's read this Oscar-winning book of Rachel Bright and Jim Fill, Koala Who Could. Have you ever been scared to try something new? Maybe joining a new class or meeting new people? So Kevin the koala also felt the same. In a wonderful place at the breaking of dawn, where the breezes were soft and the sunshine was warm. A place where the creature ran wild and played free. A koala called Kevin clung to a tree. See this nice grey fellow you never would meet, as soft as a soft thing from ear trots to feet. His favorite way to relax in the sun was to clean and to nap and to munch a lip bun. He was terribly good at all these three things. Kevin was the king of the staying still king. Kevin को पेड़ से उतरना कभी भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था क्योंकि वो उस जोन में कंफर्टेबल था। उसको लगता था अगर मैं नीचे जाऊं तो कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। You see, high up was the since he liked a slow pace, while the ground down below seemed a frightening place because all the animals were running wild, too fast, too loud, too big, and too strange. Nope. Kevin preferred not to move, not to change. So he clung to his tree as he knew how to do and was never too keen to try anything new. So when Umbert stopped by and shouted one day,
"Hey Kevin, why don't you come down here and play?"
I think I should stay on my plan. I'm busy right now. No, I'm sorry, I can't. Said Koala.
"Why not?"
cried the room, who liked the idea.
"Yes, why?"
called the dingo.
"You have nothing to fear."
But Kevin, who wasn't the do things quick shot, said, "I have clinging to do, but thanks for the thought." उसको सभी दोस्तों ने बहुत कोशिश किया उसको नीचे लाने के लिए। केविन को तो कुछ नया ट्राई करने के लिए बहुत ही डर लगता, तो वो बोला, नहीं धन्यवाद, मैं यहीं पे ठीक हूँ। As Kevin sat watching them chatter and share, a part of him wished he could join in down there, but he knew he would miss home in the dark and the late. The whole thing was risk. Adventure could wait. Whatever the invite, he would always say no. Oh dear, it seemed Kevin just couldn't let go. So his life was the same, no matter the day. The weeks came and went, and the months rolled away. Kevin feels safe on his tree. He worries about falling. He watches others having fun. He stays stuck to the tree. One day, tap, tap, the sounds went well. This was a blow. Tap, tappity tap, tap, tap. Oh no! The gathered crowd called, uncling, Kevin, lip, and we will catch you. Just let yourself go. But Kevin was scared. Let go? No, I can't. I won't. Cling on, Kevin. Oh dear, you have to jump. No, I can't. Down came the tree with a cracking and pinging crash and a wallop, with Kevin still clinging the tree. Oh my God, you see, he's still clinging the tree. Kevin, he carefully opened one eye and looked up at the love staring down from the sky. Then one claw by one claw, he slowly unclung. He felt springy and light and happy and young. The worst he could think of had now come to pass, and he was just fine. Why, he felt quite first class. So when Umbert held out a most welcoming paw, Kevin, he didn't hold back anymore. When Dingo asked, "Now, will you come out to play?" Crowd all joined with it. What do you say? And even though this was not part of Kevin's plan, Kevin replied, "Yes, I think that I can." And Kevin from then on was always saying, "I can do." And that's the story of Kevin the koala. He learned that trying new things can be exciting. I can play. Because life can be great when you try something new. So now, everyone, you tell me, Kevin was brave or scared? Would you try something new in your life, or would you just clinging to the same thing always and fear of losing? So just like Kevin, we may feel scared at first, but try new things help us to grow. And that's the story of Kevin the koala. He learned that trying new things can be exciting. I hope all of you remember, you are braver and you think. Thank you for being such wonderful listeners, everyone. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.